video I want to show you one of the actual reason why most people that trade gold, or beginners that want to trade gold, why they normally see certain spikes in the market and they look at Forex Factory and they'll be like, there is no news. All right, so why is the market spiking? Now that is actually one of the mistakes that most people that want to trade gold do, is that they use Forex Factory to check for fundamentals. Now Forex Factory, like the name implies, right, is for Forex calendar, that is foreign exchange calendar. It's not actually for metal market, it's not actually for commodity, it's not for gold. So on the Forex Factory, or right there on your dashboard on Forex Factory, you actually have the button that will take you to a website where you can check news. All right, if you are trading gold. Now if you are using a mobile device, on the top right you are going to see this particular place that says metals. Now this is where I actually check for fundamentals whenever I am trading gold. Now the reason why this is very important is because there are certain things that is going to be available on this particular website, which I'm going to open right now. So if you just click on that metals, it will take you to the website. This is actually where you check news if you are trading gold. Now there are some things that are going to be available on the Forex Factory that you can also find there, especially news from the US. All right, but there are other things, other events that might be happening globally, all right, that are going to be posted here that you will not see it on Forex Factory, and those things also affect the price, strongly affect the price of gold. So that's why sometimes when you hold position, you'll be like, oh, there is no news on Forex Factory, but all of a sudden markets start pumping or dumping and you don't really know the reason why. It is because there is something happening right here on the metals mine calendar, or the metals calendar, energy, and metals calendar, that is actually affecting gold. So that is why you need to understand these things. All right, so right here it is still the same way you use Forex Factory, the same way you use it. The only thing you might want to do is that once you are filtering the news, you might want to select just the high impact news. Okay, then you select news from all country. You see why it's very, very important for you to use this website if you are trading gold. So that is one thing you need to understand. That is one thing most people that trade gold or that fail in trading gold miss out in their trading. So guys, if you love this kind of videos and you want me to be sharing more tips about trading Forex generally, make sure to subscribe, drop your comments, and if you want the link to this website, it's going to be right in the description box, in the description area of this video. All right, take care guys, and you have a lovely day ahead.